Hey guys, Matt here from Divi Framework. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Google Tag Manager on your Divi Theme enabled WordPress website. Sounds good? Alright, let's jump on into the screencast. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is set up a profile in Google Tag Manager. To do that, you go to tagmanager.google.com, and once you're in there, we need to create an account. So you just simply click that create an account, and this one is called Duplex Building Design. We're going to click that we will share data anonymously, and we're going to basically just say here www.duplexbuildingdesign.com, and we're going to click web right there because this is a web item. Now you may want to click AMP, you might want to decide other places you want to use this container. This one's web. So we click create right there. Up comes some different stuff that we need to accept. I just say yes, and there we go. We created our tag manager. So what do I do from here? Well, I need to take this code to install Google Tag Manager on the site. So you can see that I need to paste this code in the head and I need to paste this code in the body. So I go into the dashboard area of the WordPress website, and from there I'm going to scroll down to Divi and click on Theme Options. Once I'm in the theme options, and that's loaded up, we need to click on integrations. And this is where we put different types of code. Now you can see that I've already got a Facebook pixel code in there. We're going to actually insert that in Google Tag Manager. For now though, let's insert the analytics code that we've got. So I'm going to copy that, and that needs to go into the header. So I'm going to put it above the Facebook pixel code. Now you can actually increase the size of these boxes if you want to see that, but basically you can see there's our GTM code. Next, I'm going to take our code for the body. So I'll copy this item here, and we're going to paste that where it says the body. This is good for tracking codes. There we go. And then I click Save Changes. Now, at the basis of it, that Google tag and that container in Google Tag Manager is now set up. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? But I still need to do a couple of things inside Google Tag Manager. So I've clicked OK. Now what I need to do is add some tags to the tag container. So the first tag that we're going to add is Google Analytics. So I've clicked on Add Tag. I'm going to say Google Analytics up here. Then I'm going to click Tag Configuration, and we're going to click Universal Analytics just there. I've got a page view, and I need to actually create what we call a variable here for the Google Tag Manager account. So I click New Variable, and this is where I get my tracking ID. So you can click on the little question mark there if you want to know how to find your tracking ID. Boom, like that. Up comes a little pop-up window, tells me how to find it. The Google Tag Manager ID is the ID of the container that you're using, okay? So what we're going to do here is go over to our Google Analytics, and here I've got my property settings for Duplex Building Design, and this is going to give me my tracking ID number. So I'll just copy that out. And we paste that into the tracking ID here. Cookie domain doesn't matter. So I'm just going to say save right there. That has saved that as my Google Analytics setting. You can see that right there. That's all in there. Advanced settings, don't need to worry about that. You can say once per event or once per page. This would be, for example, that you might want to trigger your Google Analytics for an event on a page, a click of an anchor, something like that. So I always just defaulted it once per event, okay? And that means that you're going to get those different things, or you can do once per page. So I'll, in this case, just go once per page. We're measuring page views, so we'll say once per page. And then I need to go and click on the trigger area, and I'm just going to say all pages right there. Click save, and that has now added that item into the workspace. But you'll notice that over at the edge here, I have to click submit. This submit creates a version of each type of tag that I'm creating. So I'm just going to say this is added analytics, and I'm going to click publish. Now, once I've done that, that's it. That is now running the way we should expect it to run. So there's one tag, one variable right there. That looks to be okay. So how do I know that it's working? Well, I'm going to visit the site. And when I'm visiting the site, I can click clear cache. That will clear the cache out. And now what we're going to do is click on the little tag manager item, and you can see that I've got my Google Analytics there, but it's got a little yellow thing, see that? And that's saying the same property ID is being tracked twice. Why is it doing that? Because the existing Google Analytics code is still in the page. Okay, so we need to turn that off. So to do that, all I'm going to do is uninstall the plugins that we're using on this particular website, and we're set up. Okay, so right there, we've added our stuff to Google Analytics. We've got the code tracking. I'll uninstall those plugins that were causing that, and that's thumbs up. When it comes to Facebook Pixel, I'm going to leave a link down there in our YouTube article right here, and you'll be able to go through to the instructions to how to add the Facebook Pixel. The reason I'm not doing it in this screencast is you've got to log into Facebook Business Manager, link it all up, that kind of stuff. We're not going to worry about that in this particular setup. So that's it, setting up Google Tag Manager with a Divi theme for WordPress. Hey guys, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel, but if you're really interested in doing Divi for SEO or SEOing your site for Divi, well, we've got a whole course on Divi Framework. You might want to subscribe. It is a paid course, but take a look at the website. There's a whole bunch of things included in that. If you want to know more, jump over to diviframework.com.